Understanding weeding tools, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of weeding tools. These are common terms in gardening, so understanding them can be really useful, especially for those of you interested in outdoor activities or gardening. Let's dive in and learn more about these tools. Weeding tools are instruments used in gardens to remove unwanted plants, weeds. Weeds are plants that grow where they are not wanted, often competing with cultivated plants for resources. Weeding tools come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific types of weeding tasks. Understanding these tools is essential for garden maintenance and can be quite interesting for English learners. Hand weeder. This is a small tool used for pulling out individual weeds. It's perfect for getting weeds out from between other plants without damaging them. Hoe. A hoe is a long-handled tool used for removing weeds from the soil surface. It's great for covering larger areas quickly. Cultivator. This tool has several prongs and is used to loosen the soil, making it easier to remove weeds. Weed puller. This is a tool designed to pull out the entire weed, including the root, to prevent it from growing back. Selecting the right tool depends on the type of weed, the size of the area, and the gardener's preference. For instance, a hand weeder is more suitable for small gardens or potted plants, while a hoe might be better for larger areas. Let's see how these terms are used in sentences. I used a hand weeder to remove the dandelions from my lawn. With a hoe, you can quickly clear a large area of weeds. The cultivator made it easy to loosen the soil and remove the weeds. The weed puller is efficient because it gets the whole root out. We hope this video has helped you understand what weeding tools are and how they're used. Remember, learning these practical terms not only enhances your English vocabulary but also gives you a glimpse into everyday activities like gardening. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.